SSLScan can interact with web server and find out which ciphers the server is running. It also can indicate which ciphers are weak or strong and advise us on which ciphers we should have configured on our web server. For the demo, we have a website running. And just to clarify, let's say that the application was running at some URL. We're only going to be scanning the web server, so we only need the domain part of the URL. We don't need the whole path. Now we just type SSL scan and then put just the domain. So again, we don't need the protocol or any of the path or any other parts besides the domain. Now when we run SSL scan, it'll do several different checks, and the output is color-coded to indicate if there's problems. And so we see the different settings for the cipher suites and whether or not they're appropriately enabled or disabled. Further down, we'll see the individual ciphers within those individual suites, and those are color-coded as well. And at the bottom, you'll have information about the certificate.